My name is Simon Payne. I'm a lecturer in computer science and also a part-time PhD student at University of South Wales. So my PhD, I'm looking at smart cities and resource allocation in smart cities. A lot of the work I'm doing is reading about other smart cities in the world at the moment. So like places in China, places in Europe. So the positive of doing a PhD, you're researching, you should be finding out, real sort of cutting edge stuff in your field. I mean, in computing, I'm looking at things like machine learning, artificial intelligence, which are right at the top of the field. And that's what you should be doing in your PhD. And it's really exciting to be researching topics and then contributing to the greater knowledge. So I came from industry with no research background and primarily got into lecturing for teaching, which I love. I love the teaching side of it. The PhD feels like a necessary part of my career, which doesn't mean that's the only reason I'm doing it. I am doing it because I enjoy it and I want to be a doctor, but there is sort of career aspiration goals alongside doing it.